Hello, tech enthusiast. Frustrated with your TP-Link TL-WR820N internet connection getting lost? You're not alone, and we've got the perfect guide to help you tackle this issue. In today's video, we'll walk you through each step to ensure your router stays connected and streaming without a hitch. Step 1. Check your connections. Before diving into advanced troubleshooting, start with the basics. Ensure all cables are securely connected and there are no visible damages. Check the power and Ethernet cables to rule out any physical connection issues. Sometimes the simplest issues can cause the most frustration. Step 2. Power cycle your router. If your internet is still acting up, it's time to perform a classic maneuver, restarting your router. Unplug the router from the power source, wait about 10 to 20 seconds, and plug it back in. Allow a minute or two for the device to fully reboot and see if the connection stabilizes. Step 3. Update firmware. An outdated firmware can often lead to connectivity issues. To update your TP-Link TL-WR820N, log into your router's admin panel using your web browser. Navigate to the firmware upgrades section and check for updates. Download and install the latest version to ensure your router has the newest security and performance enhancements. Step 4. Optimize wireless settings. Ensure your wireless settings are configured correctly. Access the router's admin panel and make sure to operate on a less congested wireless channel. Using the 5 GHz frequency can help if too many devices are causing interference on 2.4 GHz. Also, confirm that WPA2 encryption is enabled for security. Step 5. Relocate your router. Placement can significantly impact your router's performance. Position your router away from walls, metal objects, and electronic devices that can cause interference such as microwaves and cordless phones. Ideally, your router should be centrally located to provide better coverage throughout your home. Step 6. Limit bandwidth hogging applications. Identify and manage bandwidth-heavy applications or devices connected to your network. Use quality of service features, if available, in your router's settings to prioritize traffic for more critical devices or applications, ensuring they receive adequate bandwidth and reducing lag for others. Step 7. Reset to factory settings. If all else fails, consider resetting your router to its factory settings. This process will erase all your custom configurations, so it should be done with caution. Use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. Once completed, you will need to set up your network settings again from scratch. Step 8. Contact TP-Link support. Finally, if you've followed all steps and are still experiencing issues, reaching out to TP-Link support could provide further assistance. Their team can offer advanced troubleshooting and clarify any potential hardware issues. Staying connected is essential in our digital age. By following these steps on how to fix TP-Link TL-WR820N internet connection getting lost, you can restore your network's reliability and enjoy seamless browsing. Remember to periodically maintain your router settings and environment to prevent future disruptions. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to a stable and speedy internet connection.